sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 13th of April. I'm James Spann. Very active weather for the state over the next 30 hours or so, with a chance of strong to severe storms late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Let's dive into it. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. A very dynamic trough north and west of the state. Very strong wind fields going negative tilt. And that's producing a wide variety of inclement weather for parts of the northern and southern U.S. That was the radar early this morning, about 5 o'clock. A weakening band of rain moving in here from the west. Some thunder in Mississippi, but that stuff is fading fast. And we'll have the chance of a few showers with that feature this morning, but much of the day today should be dry. The main risk of heavier storms coming in here late tonight and early tomorrow morning. A very muggy, humid morning across the state. Temperatures are in the upper 60s in most spots. Dew points are rising. The dew point up to 64 at Demopolis. And we'll see those dew points rising today, adding to the instability. There's a look at our watch warning map. Still got blizzard warnings for parts of Montana and the Dakotas. They are just buried in snow with howling winds. Red flag warnings for parts of the southern plains, the western half of Texas. We note wind advisories for parts of Tennessee and Kentucky and some of the adjacent states. And a small tornado watch around Jackson, Mississippi that will be expired by the time you see this. So here's your severe weather outlook for today and tonight. Keep in mind this outlook extends through 7 a.m. tomorrow. We have a moderate risk level 4 out of 5 for parts of Mississippi, Arkansas, Tennessee, Missouri, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana. And here's the probabilistic outlook for tornadoes. The higher tornado probabilities with this event are centered over Memphis, the Mississippi Delta, eastern Arkansas. And again, that hatched area, that means the chance of a few strong tornadoes north and west of Alabama. This is the probabilistic outlook for wind. The number's pretty high, 45% ring around Memphis up into parts of Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, western Kentucky. That means a 45% chance of damaging wind within 25 miles of a given point. And again, those higher probabilities are just north and west of Alabama. In our state, we have a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk, kind of clipping the northwestern corner of the state. That would include places like the Shoals, Russellville, Hamilton, Vernon, much of north, central, and southwest Alabama, and a level 2 out of 5 risk, the areas in yellow. That would include Huntsville, Gadsden, Birmingham, Mobile. And then to the south, there's a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for places like Montgomery, Opelika, Alexander City, Andalusia, Greenville. And much more on the timing and the specifics in a moment. After 7 a.m. tomorrow, just a low-end marginal risk over the southeastern corner of the state that extends up the Atlantic coast. Then on day 3, which is Friday, we have a marginal risk west of Alabama, parts of Mississippi, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Pretty wet down here. This, of course, includes the rain with the event tonight. And the rain we see this weekend, rain amounts for most of the state between 2 and 3 inches, a bit lighter down in southeast Alabama. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. There's your dynamic negative tilt trough. Down below that, the core surface low is over North Dakota, where they've still got blizzard conditions today. A secondary low is south of St. Louis. And again, for much of the day today, we'll be dry. We'll have the showers around this morning, the afternoon mostly dry. So this is 8 o'clock tonight, the main band of storms coming into Memphis. But notice those cells in northwest Alabama. We'll have to watch those, and that's the reason we kind of opening up the window for severe storms there around 8 o'clock. They could possibly go severe, but the main concern is that line. And then tonight at midnight, the main line pushes into northwest Alabama. We'll check the severe weather parameters. CAPE values, mostly between 500 and 1,000 joules per kilogram, certainly sufficient for severe storms. Helicity values have been coming up. No doubt that'll support some rotating updrafts. And then this is the STP. The values are highest on the western side of the state. And then by 3 a.m., the STP values really come down as the dynamic sport begins to fade and the instability weakens. This is the projected radar at 3 o'clock, that band coming through Tuscaloosa and Huntsville approaching Birmingham. And then by 8 o'clock, the weakening band of showers down in parts of east and south Alabama. So here's your timing. Northwest Alabama, 8 p.m. to 3 a.m. Places like Birmingham, Gadsden, Mobile, 1 to 7 a.m. Southeast Alabama, 5 to 10. The main concern, damaging straight-line winds, but there could be an isolated tornado, especially over northwest Alabama, before midnight tomorrow night. So it's a middle-of-the-night event. Be sure you can hear warnings. And remember, with thunderstorms, expect the unexpected. These things will probably weaken with time after 2, 3 a.m., but you got to be aware here. So go to sleep on time, but be sure your weather radio is on and you don't miss any warnings in the middle of the night. So tomorrow afternoon, it's all gone. The sky becoming sunny. Should be a beautiful day. The high will be in the 70s. Friday looks good, mostly sunny. Highs mid to upper 70s. However, for the Easter weekend, we're going to be wet at times with a cold front meandering through here. That front to the south moves back northward as a warm front. This is Saturday and this is Easter Sunday. Not going to rain all weekend long, but the weekend will be cloudy with occasional showers, maybe a clap of thunder, not expecting any severe weather. So outdoor plans, be ready for rain. That would include football. We've got the Alabama A-Day game in Tuscaloosa. We've got the USFL kicking off this weekend in Birmingham. Take the rain gear. Monday, the GFS trending drier. High will be around 70, and Tuesday, a good punch of dry air comes in here. Sunny with highs in the 70s. And a week from today, Wednesday the 20th, a zonal flow and a dry air mass. Showers north and west of here. That will probably drop in here by Thursday of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday the 22nd. Ridging building in, and we are dry. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean around 2.5 inches between now and the end of April. 82 today, then highs mostly in the 70s for the weekend and next week. Kind of cool Tuesday and Wednesday morning with lows in the 40s. And the latest CPC guidance, April 20th through the 26th. Once again, blue here. That means temperatures will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.